Hello kids, today we shall be introducing a new concept, a concept of far and near. But before introducing this, we shall understand what do you mean by far and near. So, what do you mean by far? Far is something which is away from us. We see that thing from a long distance. That is called as far. And what do you mean by near? Something that is very next to us, which we can see easily. That is called near. Now we shall understand this with the help of example. Here you can see two houses in the picture. The house which is next to you is near, whereas the house which is away from you is far from you. Let's take one more example to understand it. Here in this picture you can see a boy and a girl. The boy is standing near the tree, whereas the girl is far from the tree. Yes or no? Yes. The boy is near, whereas the girl is far. Let's see one more example. Here there are two cats. One of the cat is near the tree, whereas the other is far from the tree. Similarly, in the next picture, the girl is near to us, whereas the boy is far from us. Now let's move to our next example. In this picture, you can see two sailing boats. Yes or no? Yes. The boat which is next to us, that is near to us, whereas the boat which is away from us, that is far from us. So the boat which is next to us is near and which is away from us is far. Here in this picture you can see circle and a triangle. In the first picture, the triangle is near the circle, whereas in the second picture, it is far from the circle. In this image, there is a house and a car. In the first picture, the car is near the house, whereas in the second picture it is far from the house. Here you can see a man in the first picture is standing near the door, whereas in the second picture the man is far from the door. Let's take one more example. Here you can see two boys playing with a football. The boy in the red t-shirt is near to us, whereas the boy in the green t-shirt is far from us. Here in this picture you can see the kite is in the hands of the boy, which is near. So the kite in the boy's hand is near to us, whereas the kite in the second image is up in the sky. So it is far from us. Here you can see there are birds which are near to the child, who is feeding them with seeds, whereas in the second image the birds are flying high up in the sky. So they are far from us. So I hope you understood the concept of far and near and enjoyed today's session. Until next time, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.